Hello everyone, welcome back to channel, and today I'll tell you that how you can enable the lock screen passcode or Face ID on your iPhone. What you need to do is just go to settings, and after going to settings just swipe up and you need to go to Face ID and passcode option. Just tap on it, and after tapping on it, to set up the Face ID, this is the option here, and to set up the passcode here option. What we are going to do is to set up the passcode firstly, and then we'll go to the Face ID. Just tap on it and it will require the passcode of your phone. Just provided the passcode, yes, use it anyway. Verify your passcode. It will ask for the Apple ID password, which I'm going to put it down. Okay, we have just added the passcode of Apple account, so just need to sign done, and it will log in and it will automatically enable the passcode into your phone. You just need to hold for a second for the verification of an Apple. Okay, so that's how our passcode is enabled. Now to set up the Face ID, you just need to tap on it, get started. It will ask for my face to recognize. So that's how it has recognized all of my face area. So that's how our Face ID is enabled as well. So that's how you can enable your Face ID and passcode in your iPhone. I hope this video is helpful for you and you can enable the Face ID and passcode in your iPhone. Thank you very much. Bye bye.